Mahar Cartoon TV. Ghost wedding ceremony. There lived two ghosts in some graveyard. One was Bulla and another one was Gulla. And both of them envied each other. Both of them would pull each other's leg. Other than them, there lived quite a few female ghosts as well. Gulla and Bulla kept doing something or the other to impress the female ghosts, and because of which they themselves would land in some trouble. All the female ghosts were fed up of such behavior of Bulla and Gulla, and so they decided to get back at them. And one day, all the female ghosts gathered and planned something.
Gulla and Bulla are getting on my nerves now. They are troubling the entire graveyard.
We have to do something about it immediately then. Or else, because of them, the entire graveyard will go empty. Think of something.
Whatever Gulla and Bulla does, they do it with a motive to impress us. We can use this as a bait to get rid of both Gulla and Bulla, and then we will kick them out of our graveyard.
But what would we do?
We will announce our marriage. One of us will announce the marriage, and then both those idiots would fight among themselves to get married. But the catch is that we will give them various tasks that they will have to complete in order to get married to us. But they won't be able to complete those tasks. And eventually, we will show them the way out of this graveyard.
Yes, your plan sounds really good. I will make the announcement in the entire graveyard.
And like this, the announcement was made in the graveyard. And one of the female ghosts was turned into a beautiful bride. Seeing that bride ghost, Gulla and Bulla got into a tussle.
Oh, only I will get married to this stunning ghost bride. Come what may.
Not you. I will get married to this beauty.
And like this, their word war tussle got ignited. Just when the female ghosts intervened and said,
Guys, stop! Why are you fighting among yourselves? I will only get married to the ghost who will complete all the tasks that we assign to them. And if by any chance that ghost won't be able to complete the task, he will have to leave this graveyard forever and never return.
What sort of task? And moreover, why do we have to complete tasks to get married?
it's a marriage where all the ghosts will compete and earn the bride. And if you really want to get married, then you will have to complete certain tasks. And whoever ghost among you will make through these challenges, we will consider him more compatible for the bride.
Yes, tell me. I will do all the tasks to get married to this cutie.
But we have a condition for you.
What is the condition? We are up for anything and everything.
If you fail to complete any of the tasks, then you have to leave this graveyard and there won't be any looking back.
Gulla and Bulla, without giving it a second thought, agreed to the condition. Fine then. Listen to me very carefully. If you guys really want to get married to our friend, then you have to get out of this graveyard to the garden and pluck a few flowers and make a garland out of it and then present it to our friend.
What kind of condition is that? You know it very clearly that if we get out of this graveyard, then we can't enter the graveyard again. And yet you are asking us to get out of this graveyard. This is impossible. What are your intentions really?
And if it's just about a garland, then we can bring it with our magic as well.
No, I won't accept magical garlands. I want you guys to make one for me. Do you get it?
Exactly. If you won't do some hard work, then there's no point of doing the task.
Both Gulla and Bulla started to contemplate as to what they can do next. They were thinking of some solution only just when one female ghost said,
We have understood that neither of you can complete this task. So we are giving you another task. And if any one of you complete this task, then that means he has won the task and the bride. Get it?
What is the other task?
Listen to me attentively. Both of you have to become humans for a day. You will transform back into ghosts.
What? What kind of condition is this? How can we transform into humans?
If you really want to get married to me, then you have to complete any of these tasks. And do not forget that you have promised if you will fail, then you will have to leave this graveyard forever. And forget me as well. So now the call is yours.
Now both the ghosts got paranoid because they were stuck between the devil and a deep blue sea. Because no matter what they do, they had to leave the graveyard. Just when Gulla said,
Why did you keep such condition? You guys have done it on purpose. You know we will fail.
Why would you even say that? You should have heard the conditions at first. Now don't put it on us. Anyways, you have got two options. Either fulfill the condition and get married to me or leave this graveyard forever. Now you decide.
on listening to the female ghost, both of them got quiet and left the graveyard forever and never returned to that graveyard. And like this, the female ghost took a sigh of relief in that graveyard. And now there was no one to disturb them.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment. And to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.